future, for your life. For your future, for your life. For your future, for your life. You save for rainy day. We provide for the future.
Mama always told me everybody needs an umbrella for a rainy day. A little something you could put away. A bit of patience goes a really long way. And with these seeds I carry hopes of better days. Whose fruits are these anyway? Wait a minute, okay I get it. Live for today but prepare for the future. Make sure you cover your welfare is crucial.
Angikuvusele mbukeli kulohlelo lelikhulu Eswatini Telidlelantfongeni kanzi-ke lokuvusela kulohlelo nguye-ke uMntula Ngudumane ngumegman wakamahlayela Sibongo losuka khona ehlangothini lekuchumana kanye-ke tekuthengisa khona kaDlantfongeni. Namhla-ke mbukeli sitawuveta indzaba lapha lesonyiswe ngilo Dlantfongeni lebesilo simemedela lapha ukuthi something big is coming. Babukeli-ke nemalunga eDlantfongeni bese kati buta vele ukuthi iDlantfongeni lipho ukuthi something big is coming. Ingabe lokati losesakeni uyini sitombona phela ukuthi nangu vele lokati kepha-ke njengoba-ke besolo simemedela kufanele ukuthi njengoba sihlala sisho sithi iDlantfongeni-ke liyathi ithembiso talo uma belithembisile leto ithembiso lelo libese-ke silatifeza. Emlandweni walo lo ke Dlantfongeni-ke mbukeli singasukumisa siphakamise futhi sisho ukuthi sekwenteke-ke umlandvo ngekuthi-ke iDlantfongeni kulomnyaka lona wa 2022 lisukumise-ke tinhlelo-ke lesetita ukwenta ukuthi bacashi kanye-ke nemalunga eDlantfongeni kube lula-ke ekutheni asebenzisane nalo-ke iDlantfongeni. Ikakhulukati masikhuluma ngato tindzaba ukuthi ufuna kutihlola imali ukuthi unamalini nekuthi mhlambe sofuna kufaka isicelo lapha kaDlantfongeni nekuthi mhlambe bacashina nabo sibafuna kubhadala phela lona Dlantfongeni. Lokwendekile-ke mbukeli ukuthi siyajabula ukuthi siphile silibonele ilanga leli lemlandvo-ke Eswatini lapho khona Dlantfongeni-ke lisukumise-ke tindlela icala indlela singasho ukuthi i-app sekune-app-ke yeDlantfongeni-ke mbukeli liyatwenga ukuthi i-my ENPF mobile app seyivele seyikhona ke le app leyo sitakuva ukuthi hamba kanjani ukuthi-ke i-download kanjani siphinze-ke mbukeli lesibe nalosekusukumise namhlanje kuthiwa-ke i-employer portal. Lokusho ukuthi nemcashi-ke sotavele yakhona ukuthi avele-ke angene kungconomshina aloge in lusuyangena nje uyibone i-account yakho ukuthi cha nayi i-account yami njengomcashi lokubhalisile futhi-ke uphinze ukhone ukuthi ubhadale khona lapho ugcwalise naloko lesiphtanya ngekusibo NPF 200 form khona lapho uma songenelwe portal njengoba-ke sitawubona ukuthi kuhamba kanjani lapho bese kuphinze futhi-ke mbukeli sekuba ne-member portal. Le member portal ke lena ke mbukeli yendelwe naba likubonakala ukuthi ke bona basebenzisa ema computer ngoba kule ma computer mhlambe ke awukhona ukuthi uyi-download lapha ke ecingweni. Le member portal ke isebenza kufana ke nale app lesi launchile ke namhla nje ukukhuluma lesibona ukuthi cha vele kwendekile ke namhla ke asakusukumisa umvane Nkosi lo kunguye lo ngomcondzisi weDlantfongeni umvane Nkosi Lonkhohela. Ayesive ke mbukeli ukuthi uma awusukumisa lo msebenzi lomkhulu kangaka ukhulumeke wathini ke umvane Nkosi. Sawusike masuka ke lapho ke mbukeli siphinde sive ke nanaye ke loku general manager operations babe Mike Kankabinde asichazele nje kabanti ke sayichaza ke yona ngesiswati ngoba siyathi lapha ukuthi labanye mhlambe nabogogo uyawusike makasihlafuna singisi lapha ke umfana Nkosi ubona si mhlambe bogogo ke siyabashiyeka kubaluleke sisonke ke sive kuhle kahle ukuthi vele kube kwentiwani yini futhi le nto weDlantfongeni ekutheni phela njoba sisho tindlela tibe lula ekutheni emalunga nabo bacashi basebenzisane kahle nalo ke eDlantfongeni ase sibuke ke mbukeli ukuthi kuhambe kanjani umsebenzi.
the media houses that are represented here today. Sinebaka Nation, Observer, Times, Channel Yemaswati, BBIS, Inside Biz, kanye naSwazi TV. Ngalokhu kukhethekile sitawucela kunibonga media houses emihleni yonke whenever we have a function Telidlelantfongeni sinimemile niyayiniphelele ngetinkani tenu ayite sakuthatha kancane lokho sicela ukuthi longasiye waka media ashayele laba be media tandla. Siyabonga kakhulu. We truly honor and appreciate the partnership that you guys have with Telidlelantfongeni. And going straight to the program, namuhla site elangeni lebesolo senda i-countdown yalo. Is a great milestone for the fund. And kulukhuni kuthula inkulumo yakatelo sesakeni. But nje we are here to launch some good news to our members. And ngingaze ngiphunyukele lulwimi angicele babenkabinde abuye ngaphambili atosethulela sikhulumi sethu lesitasendela le launch yethu lenkulu nakangaka namuhla.
Siyabonga mphathi hlelo CEO we ENPF Prince Lonkhohela, executive GMT members, all media houses present here. Indeed, as it has already been said that we will be launching something good. I think it would be in order for me to say one of our values as the fund is excellence. What is going to be launched today is actually in line with that value of excellence, which is basically speaking to the way we serve our customers. So what is going to be launched today is actually talking to that way of saying we want our customers to be happy when they think of going to the ENPF to do any transaction or even interacting with the ENPF without necessarily coming to the ENPF. Having said that, I think at this point, it would be proper for me to say, Nkosi, siyacela Dlamini Kunene, lokati osesakeni, ukuthi usale uthulula, sizokwazi sale sisebenza vele because besolo kuthiwa something big. Shaya abantu bathi yini le big. Siyacela Dlamini Kunene ukuthi usiphendule lo mbuzo loyo. Nkosi.
I am greatly delighted to address you on this most historic day in the history of the fund. A fund which is entrusted with ensuring that it provides the best service to its members, as well that no Eswati is robbed of their provident fund. This is a day that shall be recorded in the history books and known as ENPF transformation, as we continue to deliver on the mandate to make members' experience with the fund exciting. I must be honest that this mandate has never been easy, as some may think. For I have often had sleepless nights with my management team and all officers involved, especially the ITC management staff, thinking on how we can do better and improve our service offering to our stakeholders. Usho nemihlangano yesabanjwa nale mihlangano esinawo nje namhlanje futhi engase siubamba electronically sile nale. So sigcile ngalapho. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to all our media friends who have been with us in this whole journey of transformation. From the time we launched our 2020-25 strategic plan, it is through this same strategy that the fund became intentional in continually coming up with ways of improving its service to the members. We are not just looking for better ways, but innovative ways that would be relevant to current technologies to ensure the best customer experience for the stakeholders, in particular, the membership we serve. You will recall that in May 2021, we launched the SMS notification. September, notification. This is a platform which enables the sending of SMS to all registered members of the fund who have availed their cell phone numbers to the fund through their employers. I'm happy to report that the fund currently sends monthly SMS notification to 67% of its members, wherein members are now able to see their contributions monthly once they have been credited to their individual accounts. And this exercise is intended to significantly improve employer compliance in the payment of members' monthly contributions to the fund. It enables members to see if contributions have been made or not in a particular month. The same function has reduced the number of queries from members regarding the payment of contributions. They have sense of comfort as they now know whether payments have been made or not. Number every month with saying Kenya responsible for that. I am aware that the submission of cell phone numbers is dependent on two key players. Employees who are members of the fund have the responsibility to submit their cell phone numbers to their employers. And in turn, the employers then have the responsibility to submit these numbers to the fund through the monthly returns that they make to the fund. To this end, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to both the employers and their employees that are members of the fund who have ensured to avail the cell phones numbers to the fund. And I am sure, and I am urging those employees who have not yet submitted their cell numbers to their employers to please do so that their employers can forward these numbers to the fund. I must say that members who have not yet submitted their cell phones numbers are missing very critical information on their monthly contributions and risking retiring without a provident fund, especially if they do not bother following up on whether their employer is compliant or not. Lapha bekunene kumqoka lokuthi vele le nombolo yakho sicela from your employer hayi kuwe ngoba na kwente kanjalo usinika la mgwaqweni wena uzoba nayo ifund sengisengicela uma office efund salingibanika cha ngeke siyithathe vele sinikwa employer so that we are sure ukuthi lokwendeka kwa-account yakho bonwa nguwe yona mnikati hayi labanye bantu. Further, I would like to again remind the media that during the press conference held in May, we reported that there were projects in the pipeline which we were aimed at improving the fund's customer experience. I'd like to report that we are progressing very well in this regard. In the role as CEO, I'm honored to lead and be part of a highly driven team here at the fund that delivers on its promises. As we pursue the fund's vision and mission in the face of impending challenges. Those who follow our social media platforms have been in suspense for the past weeks, reading about something big, which was announced by the fund. We are happy to finally announce this milestone, something big for ENPF and its entire membership, as we today, the 19th September, officially launch the following platforms which are now ready for our members to use. Number one, we have the employee portal. We call it employee portal. This is a web application members to access services rendered by the fund online. This portal is aimed at improving our customers' experience in various ways. Such services to be accessed include the following. Online claiming. Members will no longer be required to come to the fund's service centers to lodge claims, but will be able to do so in the comfort of their space anytime, anywhere. Members will now be able to view their statements online as well, and will be able to update their personal information. Beneficiaries, so bona ukuthi so ufuna ukhipha lo ufake lo udakwenda online. Kepha sathi sothuthe ngoba abantu bathuthela bese bajakale ukubona emawili. Cha, lokho nje kwentela i-convenience bekunene. To access the portal, members can view our website and follow the link, or could be accessed through the URL maufusnpf.co.sz. We have the mobile app. The mobile app offers services similar to the member portal on members' mobile phone. It is available on both Android and iOS. Members can download the app from Google Play for Samsung, Huawei users, and from App Store for iPhones to enjoy the ENPF services whenever and wherever they are. The employer portal, this is a portal developed for employers' use. This portal will enable employers to interact with their accounts with the fund in real time. On this portal, employers will be able to view their accounts anywhere and anytime, 24/7. It will also enable employers to submit their completed monthly NPF 200 forms through the portal. To access the portal, Employers can view our website, follow the link, or could be accessed through the same website. Bekunene kungiloko lebesitokubeka ekhaya.
Kulokuhlangana kwanamuhla bekuzophakamisa izindlela zokusiza amalunga kangcono njengeDlelantfongeni. Sizokhumbula ke ukuthi iDlelantfongeni vele lisebenza namalunga, lisebenze futhi nabaqhashi. Okwenzekile ke kubukiwe kulalelwa wona amalunga akhuluma ukuthi le ndlela esizakala ngayo kwaDlelantfongeni iyayivama lokuthi ibe yinde ifake nezindleko eziningana phakathi. Kwase kuyabukwa ukuthi njengoba nakho sesifika esikhathini vele lapho sekusetshenziswa khona itechnology leyenza ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukusizakala kangcono, asesibukeni nathi njengeDlelantfongeni lokuthi singeze sakwenza yini. Kwase ke sekuyakhiwa ke lo wakhiwe ke kokuqala ngiloko kuzosetshenziswa ngamalunga lesikubiza ngokuthi i-member portal. Le member portal ithi lelunga lizokwazi kungena lizibukele kule system yeDlelantfongeni lokuthi le account yalo ime njani. Liphinde futhi lelunga nangabe sekufika isikhathi lapho kufanele lifake khona isicelo salo semali yalo eDlelantfongeni, lingabe lisadinga lokuthi liye kwaDlelantfongeni. Le portal izabe seseyamtshela ukuthi nakho okufunekayo abese soyakufuna bese soyakufaka bese ke soyaye senza ke lesicelo sakhe le-application soyakuhambisa kuya kwaDlelantfongeni. Nasifika thina ngale kwaDlelantfongeni sesiyahlola lokuthi kuze njengoba kubhekekile yini. Nangabe kuze kahle soyabhadalwa ke ngaphandle kokuthi eze kwaDlelantfongeni yena soyawudibana naye imali yakhe seyiqhamuka ucingo lwakhe lumtshela ukuthi seyingenile. Bese ke le portal ke yona isebenza lapha na usebenzisa i-laptop noma ke ingqondomshini. Kanti uma ngabe usebenzisa icingo lwakho kune-application abathi app yona ke yakhelwe lokuthi laba bezingcingo lezi ezivumayo kuyisebenzisa akwazi ukuthi athi chofo lapha khona enze lokho esesengikushilo ukuthi kwenzeka na usebenzisa le member portal. Kafishane nje yilokho okuphakanyisiwe oqondene namalunga. Kwesibili ke bese sekuba nokuthi abachashi njalo njengenyanga kubhekekile ukuthi baletha amagama abantu abasebenza kubo baphinde futhi bakhombise lokuthi ingakanani imali efakwa kwaDlelantfongeni yemuntu ngamunye esikubiza ke lokho ngokuthi ENPF 200. Lapho ke umchashi ke akasenokwenza lokho bekade kwenzeka lokuthi kufuna simthumelele agcwalise abese uphinde uyaletha futhi. Sozovele azingenele ke yena kuthiwa ke le yakhe i-employer portal. Lapha azofike athi nathi faca ayibone ke nayi lapha ikhona le NPF 200 agcwalise ngifake yonke lemininingwane edingekile abese soyahambisa ke sekuya kwaDlelantfongeni seliyafika lisebenze ke eDlelantfongeni lifake leyo mali emagameni alawo malunga. Kanjalo ke futhi nasekubhadaleni kuyaba into enjalo ngoba akusabhekekile ukuthi umchashi aye kwaDlelantfongeni kuyobhadala. So vele ahlale kungcondomshini wakhe afacaze thathe lezimali azifaka kwaDlelantfongeni so ubonile phela lokuthi loluhla alwenzile likhipha malini abese uyabhadala kuya kwaDlelantfongeni. Sithi ke njengeDlelantfongeni sifisa lokuthi ekusebenzeni kwethu basize kangcono abachashi siwasize kangcono futhi namalunga. Kulama values ethu njengeDlelantfongeni kukhona inye ethi excellence. Ngamanye amagama sifuna ukusebenza kwethu kube seqophelweni eliphezulu sasiza amalunga kanye nabo abachashi. Bekuyilokho ke besihlangene ngakho namhlanje kuzosukunyiswa lezo zindlela zokusiza amalunga kanye nabachashi.
Mbukeli njengoba ke sotivele ke lapho ukuthi kwenteke ke ingcayizivela Eswatini lokusho ukuthi njenganyalo nje sothatha sacingo lakho uvele ke ungene uyidownload i-app uyayidownloada ke i-app sitakuchoba nje sochazele eMaswati ngoba siyathi ukuthi maningi eMaswati sathatha tibuta ukuthi ngabe vele uma ngena lapha kwendakalani lapha mangifuna sengifuna claim ke nyalo ngihamba kanjani sakuchoba nje sinichazele ngoba imvoma yinsha vele ukuthole ukuthi labanye vele kuba nekulukhuni ukuthi bayisebenzisa kanjani kepha ke i-app njengoba sibonile seyikhona asidownloadeni lonke liswati nje leli lunga leDlelantfongeni libe nayo i-app ecingweni noma ngabe usebenzisa icingo luphi noma i-Android noma sokulebo ma Apple elabhula njengoba ke sibona lapho uyakhona ukuthi ke uyithole ke i-app ke mbukeli. Sawuphinde futhi sikhulumisane kahle ke nayo sesihlahlela kahle ukuthi vele kusebenza kanjani mhlambe kulabo labangaba nembuto kulolu viki lelitako kwanyalo angeliva lapho ke ihlelo ke mbukeli siphinde futhi sihlangane kulolu viki lelitako ngaso ke isikhathi lesifanako #buyasalakho usale kahle
For your future, for your life.